May 23rd, 1981. Canada's Wonderland opens to the public, featuring 5 themed areas: International Street, Medieval Fair, Grand World Exposition of 1890, International Festival, and the Happy Land of Hanna-Barbera. Only 3 of these areas had roller coasters, one of them being the Happy Land of Hanna-Barbera. This area was themed to many cartoons from Hanna-Barbera, specifically Yogi Bear, the Flintstones, and Scooby-Doo. In the latter section, one of the 5 opening coasters at Canada's Wonderland would be found.
It's morning in Happy Land. There's work we must do. Down to the rainbow, fast as you can. We're all waiting at Canada's Wonderland.
Scoobys' Gasping Ghoster Coaster was located in the Scooby-Doo themed area of Canada's Wonderland from 1981 to 2010, when the area was rethemed to the Peanuts as Planet Snoopy. In this change, the Scoobys' Gasping prefix was removed from the name, and it just became known as Ghoster Coaster. Ghoster Coaster is a PTC wooden coaster, identical to Woodstock Express at Kings Island, Kings Dominion, Carowinds, and Sea Dragon at the Columbus Zoo. Riders start out their ride by filing into one of the 2 trains, each 5 cars long with 4 people per car for a total of 20 riders per train. Riders climb in their trains and pull down their PTC buzz bar. This type of restraint is unique, as unlike ratcheting or hydraulic restraints, buzz bars only have a single closed position. Ghoster Coaster starts with a short right-hand turn out of the station, then a climb up the 41-foot tall lift hill. After a short lift, riders then fly down the 39-foot drop, reaching the top speed of 35 miles per hour. After this, a short turnaround before diving into the best part of the ride, a short double down, which can actually provide some good airtime. After another short turnaround over the lift, Ghoster Coaster pops up into a final little hill before another turnaround into the brakes. Ghoster Coaster traverses its 1,356 feet of track in 1 minute 20 seconds. Ghoster Coaster is a classic for many people who grew up with Wonderland. Personally, I remember riding and loving it in 2013, but it wasn't until 2019 that I really started liking it. In August, 3 of my friends and I went to Canada's Wonderland for a day. That day, when we were eating blizzards in Planet Snoopy, it started to rain. Ghoster Coaster was still open, however, and we decided to ride it over and over until the rain stopped. We probably got around 5 or 6 rides, and it was one of my favorite moments that I've ever had at an amusement park. Ghoster Coaster was one of the original 5 at Canada's Wonderland, and it still remains as a star attraction of Planet Snoopy. Throughout the Taft, Paramount, and Cedar Fair eras, this classic Woody has lived in the hearts of many Canadians as their first taste of roller coasters, and it's a part of what makes Canada's Wonderland my favorite park of all time.
Down to the rainbow, fast as you can. We're all waiting at Canada's Wonderland.